Welcome to this testing challenge. In this video, we're going to have a look at how we can bypass HTML5 validations. In the previous video, if you haven't seen it yet, we had a look at a challenge regarding web testing. I'll post the link in the description and maybe you'll have a look and try to solve it yourself and see how we solved it together. Now, in this video, we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to read out what we need to do, and then I'm going to give you a few minutes to solve it yourself, and then I'm going to try and solve it myself. So what do we need to do? We have here a field that apparently only accepts integers, and our task is to try and bypass this validation so that we will enter something different than an integer. So let's see. Yeah, that didn't work. Okay, so the validation is there. We need to find a way around it. Now I'm going to stop the video right here, give you, I don't know, 5-10 minutes to try it yourself. After 10 minutes, you can come back and then we're going to start to solve the challenge. Welcome back. I hope you managed to solve the challenge. If not, let's try and do this together. So the first test which I want to do is just try and enter something. So either via the keyboard or I don't know, doing copy paste, and it doesn't allow me. I cannot copy, I cannot paste. I have another idea which I want to try, and that is using bug magnet. So this should in theory inject text in the field. So if I try to inject non-integers, that usually works, but it did not work in this case. Okay, so it seems from the direct front-end point of view, I for one cannot manage to trick this. So let's go a little bit under the hood. So let me just open the developer tools. And well, let's just put it 50-50 here. And let's see what we are dealing with. So we have here this field. It says class input box name. Okay, so it is of type number. So I was thinking if we enter something like this and maybe we change the value in the HTML, save it. Nope. What if we do edit? Whoops. What if we do edit as it doesn't allow us to edit it as HTML. Now, what else can we try here? What I was thinking when I first saw this is just change something right here. And the first thing I want to change and try to see if it works, I'm just going to change the type. So if I change that and go to the front end, magic! I managed to solve it. Now, I think this is only one way to solve it. Write in the comments if you did the same, if you tried something different, and like and subscribe. Apparently, a lot of people are watching the videos, but they're not subscribed. So, as always, thank you for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good one, and bye-bye.